Guys, so today I'm going to be filming a cleaning, decluttering video for my beauty room. I'm out of breath. It's taken me since 12 o'clock this morning, 1 o'clock this morning, and it is now 9 o'clock at night. So it's pretty much taken me all day, including breaks. But so yeah, I look like a disaster right now because I literally just got done. I need to shower. My hair's in like this ponytail with all these hairs coming down. So yeah, you guys don't normally see me like this, but this is the aftermath of cleaning all day. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I decluttered my room, reorganized everything, and how it all turned out, then keep on watching.
I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine. Oh, oh. I am not the enemy. No need to run and hide. No, no. But as the night draws near, we are animals of fear. Feels so cold inside my head. And as the sun comes up, we are always out of luck. There's no room for us here. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. Break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. 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 It's a cold-blooded love. It's a
It doesn't matter. Same thing.
So I'll take a break.
But I have to get ready if I take a break.
I know, but
You don't have to get ready. Go like that.
No.
We can take my truck and they can leave and we can meet up over there.
I have to brush my teeth.
Yeah, it's probably a good idea.
this is what my room looks like when you walk in. This is my makeup and vanity, or not vanity, makeup storage section. Then I have my closet, and then I have where I do my makeup, and then where I film. My tripod usually goes behind there, but just for now, because I had my tripod, you know, out and about over here while I was trying to clean everything up. But it is currently, let's see, what time is it? 9:03, so it's taken me almost 9 hours to completely clean this out. This is all the junk that has to go into the trash or go into another room. Don't mind if you can hear my sister in the background, but this is what this looks like. I didn't touch this section yet because that stuff right there, oh, I'm out of breath. That stuff right there is just all for, like when I move out into an apartment, I have like extra stuff. Then I have my nail polishes, which I went through a little bit. Okay guys, so I know I look like absolute crap. I literally just finished cleaning this entire room, but that is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up to let me know you like videos like this. Maybe I'll do some more. And so yeah, I look like a disaster. I'm sweating. I need to shower. And I'm so happy this is done. You don't even know. But so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And so yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.